one of the things I done, we're not staying here in the historic district because we're doing a rather big trip. So we decided to save a little bit of money on the hotels instead of staying in the district. And if you are one of those people that's staying outside the district, you're gonna need somewhere to park. Make sure when you get on the internet, you actually get on Google, look up, put in public parking in the historic district, and it'll lead you right to a parking garage. I think it's around $15 for 24 hours, so not really that bad, especially when you're in walking distance of everything that the historic district has to offer. So maybe check that out. One of the things I like about this area is the way the trees flow over top of the streets, man. That's really neat. It's totally got that Savannah charm that I was expecting. If you're somebody like me who actually enjoys like historical places and stuff, this town is amazing for that. I mean, every building, everywhere you look is pretty much an historical building for the most part. Yeah, it's just fascinating seeing all the historical buildings, even the old brick. If you watched any of my videos, you know I'm crazy about looking at like old bricks and old rocks and stuff like that. So it's really amazing out here. You can also check out the first Girl Scout headquarters. If you got a little girl in your group, I'm sure that would be something she would like, especially if she's been in the Girl Scouts. Now, one thing you're gonna love when you come walking through the historic district is the fact that the road and the sidewalks are flat. I'm from Kentucky, so therefore there's lots of hills, and pretty much anywhere you're going is not that flat. So, but you won't get that when you're down here in Savannah. You're gonna have some flat areas, which makes walking a lot easier. Now, when you're also here, make sure you come to Forsyth Park. Nice area. They got these beautiful trees all throughout the park. Nice shade to get out of that hot sun here in Savannah. As you can tell, it's pretty popular for probably Instagram photos and stuff like that. We're out here in the spring and it feels fantastic. I hear that during the summer here in Savannah, it gets like insanely hot and the humidity is pretty bad. So I can imagine definitely it gets a little bit hot. Now, one thing, traveling down the roads and stuff in Savannah, I just see these beautiful homes, and I love the old school, keeping the old school historic architectural design and stuff, and not tearing it down and putting up new sky rises and stuff. It's kind of cool. I don't know if it's cool for a homeowner, but it's cool for people being able to see it. I would almost love to walk in one of these homes and check them out. They're really nice. I don't know how much they run when it comes to price, but I bet they're a little hefty. Possibly some of these could be Airbnbs too. You know, we're here in the end of March, and I gotta say, it is pretty hot out here. And I gotta say, so if you're coming in the summer, you might wanna, I don't know. Honestly, I can't even give you a piece of information. All I can tell you is be prepared, because it's gonna be hot. Because I think it's in the 80s right now, and that's at the end of March. And from what I hear, in the summer, It gets a lot hotter and a lot more humid. There's tons of places to visit here on the historical district. Plenty of shops, plenty of places to eat. So make sure you get down here and check out Savannah, and you get down here to the historical district. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.